In this video, I will be showing you how to fix YouTube dark mode. Let's get started. First, I open up my browser and head to the Google search bar. I type in YouTube and click on the first link to open YouTube. Once the page loads, I notice that YouTube is showing in light mode or isn't matching my preferred appearance settings, so let's walk through all the ways to fix this. First, let's check our system settings. I click on the Windows search bar at the bottom and type in Settings, then click on Settings to open it up. In the Settings panel, I select Personalization from the left menu. Then, I click on Colors. Under Choose Your Mode, I click the drop-down menu which is currently set to Light, and I select Dark. This changes the entire system appearance to dark mode. Now, I head back to my browser and reload the YouTube tab to see if it syncs with system settings. As you can see, YouTube automatically switches to dark mode once system dark mode is turned on. Next, let's look at browser settings, extensions, and clear site data if YouTube is still stuck. I click on the three-dot menu at the top right of the browser and go down to Extensions, then click Manage Extensions. Here, I check if any extensions or VPN tools might be interfering with site themes or appearance. After checking extensions, I go back to the browser menu at the top right, select Settings, and then click Privacy and Security on the left menu. From here, I select Delete Browsing Data. I check Cookies and other site data, along with cached images and files, and then click Delete Data. Next, back in Privacy and Security, I click on Third-Party Cookies, scroll down, and select See All Site Data and Permissions. I find YouTube.com in the list, click the trashcan icon next to it, and click Delete to clear all saved site preferences and cache for YouTube specifically. Now, I close the Settings tab and return to YouTube. I click on my profile icon in the top right corner to open the user menu. I click on Appearance, which is currently set to Use Device Theme. I click on Light Theme to switch YouTube manually to light mode first. And that's how you fix YouTube dark mode on your computer. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.